Hello everyone, we are selling Commercial Tianjin Company Limited. Our company are one manufacturer and trader of semiconductor devices and carries the SAILTON brand. This is the ZP12000A400V welding diode. Next, we will introduce this product to you deeply from the phone to aspects, features, and application fields. The first part, features. Welding diodes, also called high-density diode series products, which are specially designed for MF-resistant welding machine equipment. It has high reliability, extremely low on-state voltage drop, and extremely low contact thermal resistance in welding machines. The current of this product is 12,000 amp and voltage is 400 volts. It can completely replace the ABB brand at 5SDD0120C0400 model product. Well, our SAILTON brand diode current range are from 7,100 amp to max 18,000 amp, and the voltage are 200 volt, 400 volt, and 600 volt. We have 1,000 Hz and 2,000 Hz frequencies for you to choose from. As you can see that it has small size and lightweight because this product has a max diameter of 75 mm, an inner diameter of 57 mm, and a thickness of 8 mm. It weighs about 220 grams. The second part, application fields. It's designed for medium frequency welding equipment and can be used for all kinds of intermediate frequency and power frequency resistance welding machine, such as automobile welding clamp, seam welding machine, mesh welding machine, and so on. That's all for this product. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.